Today I'm gonna be refinishing this table. I'm gonna be doing white on the sides and white on the legs, and then varnish the top. It's an antique piece of furniture. As you see, this is what I'm gonna be working with today, and hopefully it comes out good. So far I repaired the legs because one of them broke off, so I used Gorilla Glue to stick it and it stayed sturdy. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Working on it. Hopefully it doesn't break again, but if it does, I have to repair it because I really like the wood. It's really a vintage piece of furniture. Okay, so I'm going to start by dusting it off. I sand it a little bit, as you can see, and I'm going to do white on the bottom and solid wood on the top by revarnishing the top. I'm going to start by sanding a little bit just to get the excess pieces that are still on there. So I'm using a really fine piece of sandpaper and just going over it really quick because it really doesn't need it, but it is you need to at least give it a slight sanding. So right here, as you see, the two sides aren't connected, but it glued well. So for that part, I'm going to be using a wood putty to fill that in and let it harden in there. Fine, we don't need to fill everyone, but because you want to keep some of the character of the table, because it's an old piece of furniture, it's a vintage piece. Alright, so we'll let that part dry. In the meantime, I can still paint around it, but let that piece dry. Okay guys, so the bottom part of my table project is it's done. It's dry. It's finished. So now I'm gonna be sanding the edges where I overlap with the white, and then varnish the top. This is the edges where I'm pointing. These parts I'm gonna be sanding off a little bit and then start varnishing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be refinishing the top with a wood finish, and it's a cherry 235 finish that I'm gonna be using on this antique piece of furniture, and you will see when it's finished. I'm gonna show you. So let me start by putting a first coat of the wood finish. Okay, so as you can see, I've done half of it. This side is finished and the other side is still not done. So I'm going to show you once I'm finished. Okay guys, hello again. This is the end result of my do-it-yourself vintage side table. It is made in Italy and it's a solid wood, And so it's all finished. I varnished the top and painted the sides white along with the legs. So it's very pretty, and I staged it with the statue and a candle holder. So it's all done, and I hope you like it, and click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.